Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my last day in Paris. I wanted to unbox my Chanel purchases before I head back to San Francisco. Yeah, so let's get started with the big box item here. This one, I don't know if you guys remember the spring summer collection 2019, and there was a lot of iridescent items, and I really love the iridescent items, but I decided to wait until my Paris trip because I know I wanted to save some money. Right now it's a very awkward time to get any bags in Paris because the last season spring summer is already over and the next season won't start deliver until June. So it's pretty much nothing new. They're not gonna get any new delivery, and since the item that I wanted was from the spring summer, it's definitely really hard to get. So when I went to Look and Bond first, asked them, I went straight to the item that I want, and they told me that there's only one store in Paris has this. After checking, rushed to the Le Bon Marché store, and then they told me, said, hey, we have this bag available, but unfortunately this bag is reserved by a customer. She's supposed to come to pick up, but she hasn't picked up, and the essay that reserved for that customer is also not available. So they keep calling, and I waited for like almost like 2 hours, and in the end they told me, yes miss, the customer is not gonna pick up and we can release the item to you. So I was super happy, and I feel so lucky that I was able to get this item from them.
So it's a black magnetic box, and also I found the item when I was in the store.
They put the booklet here. You can see a little bit. Oh my goodness, this is, just give me a second. Oh my god, I always wanted a classic color. I don't know if you guys can see the iridescent color. There's some light and the tinted color, the shade. Oh my goodness, this one is so pretty. Neutral color, light gold hardware. I haven't even teared anything off. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna put it here. And the flap, before I purchased that, I examined the bag. It's definitely like super perfect. And then I have the authenticity card. Inside it's made in France. Well, if anything, this is like super perfect, such a classic color, and I would never get bored of it, and I always wanted one, and this is definitely a forever piece. I'm so happy that I was able to add this one into my collection. Let's move on to the next item. So it's so funny, this one is also from the spring and summer collection. It feels like I'm here. From the size of the box, you can probably already tell it's a pair of shoes. Show you guys. Yep. So it's the mesh one in black color. You can see it's mesh material on the side, bottom, and with the CC logo, a pair of espadrilles. I really like this style, and then they have some other style like small CCs, but I just feel the bigger one is more classic. And I am definitely a little bit worried about the mesh material because I don't have anything in mesh. I worried it might be too delicate. It's a little bit hard to take care. If you also have this pair of mesh espadrille, let me know in the comment that how the wear and tear goes. If not, after I wear for some time, I can give you guys an update. I hope you guys really liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Bye bye.